the compressor on, so I'm trying to talk loud. I had some cheap paper gaskets on there, it kept leaking. So I went on, cleaned up the surface, got my steam port in there, and then I got some new gaskets for it. So I'm going ahead and put these boys on. The Great RTV is the best, man, for coolant. So that's the one you want to go with. Advanced formula gasket maker. So I got a new lower radiator hose. I just did this thermostat piece. I don't know if that was leaking, but it only took a couple more seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead, RTV this up, and then put the lower and upper radiator hose on the motor. But I can't put it on. Well, I'm not gonna put it on until I get that new condenser. So, cause I don't want to take the radiator back out. So I'm gonna go ahead, bolt this boy up, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to plug this harness up. All right, I found one of my little stands I used to have. So, video won't be shaky. All right, so literally, this is your harness. All right, silk. Just to go one leg at a time. All right, so it's a drive-by wire box. It's coil. Got to zip tie the coil down. Like some stuff came off it. It's the mouth sensor. Got my 4 injectors on this side. Alright, so y'all, that's what it's looking like on this side. Then the only thing I have left, oh, well, this is a whole nother leg, so I'll just do it over there. Got the ground wire, literally one ground wire, and that's gonna attach over there by the knock sensor where the factory. So the factory one is, one second, I just was playing with it. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna install it down there with the other one. And then I got all this space because I pushed my motor forward 2 inches. Alright, we can jump on this leg over here. Them like the biggest ones. The ones with the coil and injector on it. So, same thing, same exact thing on this side. One, it's the furthest injector. Brake booster. Get my brake booster back in. Alright, got it. Alright, you got these two. This big one over here is your alternator. And then this one is your coolant. Get hooked up down there. Alright, now you like halfway done now. So back here, you got map sensor. I don't think that's it. I think that's from it. Yeah, map. These are actually labeled for easiness. Map sensor. I think this is the cam, speedo, and trans. This leg I'm gonna do under the car. I just throw that down there. Go back around. Literally it's like easy to install a harness that's redone. Let me go back here to show y'all the knock and cam sensor. Knock sensor. Cam sensor. Alright, so I just redid that. Took me like 2 minutes from what the clock said. And y'all can see it. Nice and clean. Unlike mine, which is why I say I ain't doing harnesses because it takes too long. But after looking at this, man, I got one more left like this that I bought from the harness guy. Rest in peace. I'm gonna open it up, man, and see like what exactly, man, because it looks real good. And I just want to be able to do it and do it fast, which I can't right now. So yeah, I want to be able to try that. But that's literally it for the top, besides that ground. Now, so this, it's only 2 legs left, or 3 legs. Let me throw them over here so I can show y'all. All right, so yeah, O2, crank power, and the trans, and the speedo. So I'm gonna do trans and speedo real quick. Just throw this under there. Cut y'all back on. All right, let's get up under this baby real quick. All right, so got O2, passenger O2. I'm gonna end up zip tying a lot of this stuff somewhere once I'm done. That's that. See more simple stuff for the trans. What exactly going on? But right here is the piece for the trans. And here's the piece of the harness for it. Should click. Push it all the way in. Probably can't even see, but it's in. Alright, and speedo, which is connected to it. You're just gonna swing it over behind you. And it's gonna connect down by the tail. Does that. Get over to the driver's side, O2. I think I threw it far enough. But probably not. But it literally connects to that O2. And then you just got the cranking cam. I mean the 12 volt and the crank. There's my driver O2. Swing that across. Then my ground. I'm gonna move them both over here. Probably to the back of the block. Matter of fact, I'll just install it right there. Just install it right there. But yeah, man, that's mostly it. So the only thing I didn't hook up is this ground wire y'all see right there, which is gonna connect down right there. And the crank, which literally connects here. Connect there like you see. And this wire, we're going the positive on the starter. But I gotta get that heat shield for it. and then the mouth sensor, which you run the cold air intake or regular intake or whatever, this will just connect to the mouth sensor. Easy, right? Cakewalk. That's how you install that harness, man. It's real simple. This reservoir is weathered. It's that Kansas heat. It's crazy. I touched it in the corner and it just crumbled like that. So you gotta get another one. Oh, those not having sparking. Let's get all this out. So I was going with a blue thing for the car now, like brake calipers, this valve covers, and then I forgot that I did these red and the spark plugs red. But one of the spark plugs actually just broke when I was putting it in, or it broke when I was taking it off. So I got all black at the house, so I'm ended up taking the valve covers off, painting blue. I got blue already over there. So that's gonna be something for another time. So yeah, that's going blue. I don't really know what else I can do blue besides the brake calipers, but I was trying to do it blue and black. Blue, black, and then that bluish gray color on the car. So I got the booster off. I mean, not the booster, but the cruise control module and the vacuum box. Got both of them out because this drive-by-wire, so it'll never use those. All that wiring else right there, got it situated. I gotta do some more wiring back there. I mean, some loom back there, and then I gotta make some clamps for power, starter wire, and all that. I'm about to put the shift linkage back together. I'll do this exhaust downpipe at another time. It's only 3 bolts holding that on, 3 14mm bolts. Let me get this, because I always be forgetting stuff and don't know what happened to it, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, I'm gonna get a smaller air filter, because the one that comes with this 5.3 truck is huge, man. There's no way it could fit. But the small one should be able to fit right there just fine. I wish that they wouldn't have put these bracket pieces right there. I just cut them off, and that's looking ugly. But this ain't staying like this, because once you get the forced induction set up, all the tubing is gonna be changed. It's all over that too. Heater hose is on tight. I need to plug the AC ports. I need to put this ground wire on, probably here or somewhere. I did do the charge wire, because I took that wire that go. Oh shoot! I took that wire that went right here, connect to alternator, went all the way under. I took all that off, trying to do as little wiring as possible. But y'all see it like another hour and it could start. The fuel wires already ran inside. I just gotta do 12-volt switch, and I believe that's it to make this boy start. Yep, to make it start, just 12-volt switch and fuel, and the fuel is right here. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that module right there, and I'll just attach it to my console or put it in the middle, whatever. Cause I don't want to stick it on the radio, and I could stick it up here, but matter of fact, I just might do that if it could fit. Yeah, it'll have no space. So I'm just gonna stick it under here with this relay box. I'm gonna end up doing 2 OBD 2 ports, one for the computer to read on, and then another one for the BIM 2 that came with the Dakota dash. That way I don't have to do all this wiring under the hood for temp, tack, all that other stuff. I can just literally plug OBD 2 port into the Dakota digital and then run oil. That's it. So that'll save me a whole bunch of time. It was worth it, like $90. So that's worth it, man. And then it looked a lot cleaner. So I went with it, and I said, all right, I'm gonna go get it. But that's where I'm at, man. That's where I'm at. Literally. Bolts. Don't need that charge right here. All right, so as soon as I got this back together and running, I was gonna get the sunroof bodywork started, and then get the interior in back together, because I don't want all the dust going in there, and then start on the whole body of the car. But I mean, it's pretty much rolling. I can't drive it till the dipstick This piece come. Dipstick grommet. I don't know the name of it, but I found it online. So when I left and I came back, the whole under the car was full of trans fluid, and I didn't know why. Till I got here, and I pulled the motor out, and it was just the trans just started dripping, and the dipstick was loose. So that explains why my whole inside of my garage at the house is full of trans fluid. But that's a quick little update for y'all, man. It's literally ready to crank. I just need this piece to drive it. I just need that. But I'm about to jump on this 350, diagnose this knock issue. But made a lot of progress. Everything's looking good. All the leaks are fixed. Hopefully they don't leak anymore. But that's a good little update for y'all, man. So I gave y'all my water issue is fixed, the steam port, how to put the harness on, and bolting everything back up. But yeah, man, I'm out.